Friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to measure arc dimension in FreeCAD with Manipulator Workbench. In FreeCAD, in Part Workbench or Part Design Workbench, we face difficulty to measure these arc dimensions. If we switch to the Part Workbench, here are the measuring tools are given, but these measuring tools are only beneficial to measure the linear dimensions. What if you wanted to measure the dimension of this arc or this diameter or this radius? You will not find any options here in a Part Workbench or Part Design Workbench. Yeah. So in this tutorial we will install the Manipulator Workbench. To do that, go to the tool and go to the add-on manager and search for the Manipulator. So here you can install this Manipulator Workbench, and here I show you the measuring tools inside the Manipulator Workbench. So this is the Manipulator Workbench, and before I will go to the part Workbench, so you can see that there is no tool for the arc here, but in Manipulator there are the many tools. So here I switch to the Manipulator tools, and here on Manipulator tools you will see here a vernier caliper. Click on it, and here you can measure the arc, align dimension, angle. So I will switch to the isometric. I will select on this arc and I will select on this. So you can see that this arc is 25, same way this one, radius is 6, diameter is 12, and here in our tree browser this value has been added here. If you do not want this precise value, just simply click on the D, and again if you measure it, then it will not show you this much of precise value. It will show you only the shortest value. And if I click on this align dimension, so this is the align dimension of 12, beautifully it is showing. And if I wanted to see the angle, so angle is 30 degree, and if you click on clear actions, it will clear it, and if you wanted to delete it, then you can delete all this. So this vernier tools is very helpful to measure the dimension in FreeCAD, and here are the snap points. You can snap to the circle, midpoint or end point. So this is the very small tutorial about the Manipulator Workbench to measure the dimensions, which is not available in a Part Design or Part Workbenches. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and at the same time, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. its link is given in a video description. And at the same time, I would request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help these channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.